Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishwa, Chef de Cuisine for AMS and Nest Catering. So I've got some requests on some basics. So for this demo, I'm going to show you how to make a plain, simple rice, and I'm going to be using jasmine rice. I'm going to cover this rice so that it comes to a boil faster. And I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes or so. So guys, you just saw how to make jasmine rice. It was pretty simple. 1 cup rice, 2 cup water. That's all it takes. And if you're doing some other rice like a basmati rice, all you have to do is soak the rice for 20 minutes, then use the ratio of 1 cup rice to 1.5 cup of water. Hope you enjoy it. If you are struggling with some recipes, you can always email me at chefdecuisine@ams.ubc.ca.